How to use multiple effects on TikTok video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can just use or create multiple effects on a TikTok video. So what you're going to do is open up the TikTok application. Afterwards, you're going to go and tap on the plus icon or the button that is just at the bottom of the screen to create a new post or any sort of thing like that. Eventually, you can create a new video, you can upload it from your gallery. So it is I'm going to upload it from my gallery. I have selected this one. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put an effect on it. So I'll go into the effects option that is again at the bottom of the screen. Afterwards, these are the following effects. So for example, I select one effect, so a zoom one. Now I want to have another effect that is glitch one, so I can do this. Now I want to have that 70s look or that smoke effect on it. So this is how I do it. I've used three effects on one timeline. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to reverse back and I'm going to use an effect on an effect. That means I'm going to use one effect on another one. So this is how I do it. So and one I'll again come to it so I can use this effect on this one. Now I'll save the video. So if I play it, this is how it is going to be. This is how I use multiple effects on my TikTok video. Now I can add the music of my own choice from the music or sounds option. Now I can use whatever music I want to use. For example, this. So I can also do this. So this is how we use multiple effects on a TikTok video. We can furthermore apply filters on this video as well. But this was it. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, peace.